Assalamualaikum to Madam and my fellow friends. So I'm going to introduce my group members first. My name is Ernie and my other members is Asila, Aina, Amira, Alisa, and last but not least, Shakira. Okay, today we're going to present our infographic poster about several types in investment, which are investment in saving account and investment in fixed deposit. First of all, saving account can be defined as account that maintained by retail financial institution that pay interest but cannot be used directly as money. For example, by writing a check. Basically, individual will have at least one account saving. Nevertheless, we all are encouraged to have two saving accounts for particular purpose. First account is for the daily expenses. There are basic expenses that are a part of everyday life, which things like mortgage payments, bills, healthcare, and groceries. Next, for the second account is used for wealth accumulation. There are reasons why it's a good idea to accumulate wealth. Having wealth allow us to build up a retirement fund for future and build up assets that can pass down for generation. It is also about people achieve their financial goal in expected time horizon. I believe everyone will have their financial goal, even we don't have a short-term financial goal to achieve for the moment. But I think we will have one, like I said before. Definitely, everybody will have at least one account saving for their retirement. Interest on saving account is calculated on the account's outstanding balance at the end of each day. The formula used to calculate the interest amount in calculation of simple interest. Simple interest. So the formula is interest amount equal to principal multiple to time multiple to rate. Principal here is the balance at the end of each day of the month.
So today I want to talk about a procedure of saving account. So a saving account is an interest-bearing deposit account. Before this, an account holder for saving account will be given a passbook. But nowadays, a commercial bank will issue a statement rather than passbook. With the availability of internet service, a depositor can also get on bank statement. Beside a passbook, an account holder also have an ATM card for easier and convenient withdrawal of funds from his or her account. So not only that, but an account holder also can deposit their money through an ATM. And then there are three types of saving accounts. Okay, first one is individual saving account. Second one is joint saving account, and the last one is saving account for association, societies, and also clubs. Individual saving account is for an individual account holder. And then second, joint saving account is account that has been opened by two or more individual. And the last one is saving account for association, society, and also club.
Saving account also offered under Islamic Sharia principle by Bank Islam, Bank Muamalat and conventional commercial banks. This saving account is under the Al-Wadi'ah Yadamanah principle. A saving account under this principle is where the bank accepts deposit from customers looking for safe custody of their funds. At the same time, allowing the customer to withdraw their money at any amount, anytime. The customer will enjoy the sharing of profit rather than being paid the interest amount. Besides that, Al-Wadi'ah saving account can be opened by individuals, societies, associations, and clubs, whether by Muslim or non-Muslim. The customer are given a saving passbook or statement sent by mail or statement online. For the profit distribution can be calculated based on the account average daily balance and by using this formula, which is profit equal cumulative daily balance for the month divided by number of days in the month time rate times 1/12.
Next is fixed deposit.
Fixed deposit is a type of investment offered by banks, post office, and even corporate. Fixed deposits are considered to be one of the safest modes of investment. Fixed deposits are also known to generate high and guaranteed returns and set high interest rate as compared to saving accounts. This type of investment has better returns than a saving account. The fixed period can be 1, 2, 3, or 60 months. The interest is fixed at the time the deposit is taken. The interest rate for more than 12 months can be negotiated between customer and the bank. Banks are allowed to accept deposits of any amount for time deposit except for time deposits of 1 month. Next is type of fixed deposit. There is several types of fixed deposit, such as normal fixed deposit, senior citizens fixed deposit, cumulative fixed deposits, and non-cumulative fixed deposit. For normal fixed deposit, deposit money for a fixed tenor. Tenor can range from 7 days to 10 years. Interest rate is higher than a normal savings account. Second is senior citizens fixed deposit. It is applicable for individuals above 60 years of age. Senior citizens are eligible for special rates and flexible tenors. Next is cumulative fixed deposit. Their interest is compounded every quarter or year and paid at the time of maturity. It helps substantially grow your savings. And the last one is non-cumulative fixed deposit. Their interest is paid out monthly, quarterly, half-yearly, or annually as per your choice. And it is better bet for pensioners looking for a regular source of income.
Fixed deposit withdrawal before maturity is allowed, but there are the procedure to withdraw the fixed deposit before maturity period. First, no interest will be paid on any 1 month, 2 month, or 3 month fixed deposit that has not run the full period. Second, no interest will be paid on fixed deposit of 4 months and above if the withdrawn before the completion of 3 months. Lastly, rate payable, half the contract rate for each complete month the fund has been deposited. The formula to calculate the interest amount is principal times rate times time. In Malaysia, we also have Islamic fixed deposit. The Islamic fixed deposit use the Al-Mudarabah concept which are offered by Bank Islam, Bank Muamalat and other commercial banks that offer Islamic products. The Islamic fixed deposit has no interest. It has the same tenure and amount like a conventional fixed deposit, but in this case, the bank will act as an entrepreneur and the depositor as the financier. The two parties will agree on the profit sharing, and most commonly the agreement will 70% to the depositor and 30% to the bank. This ratio, however, can be changed from time to time.
A fixed deposit account can be opened by individuals aged 18 years and above, including non-residents of Malaysia, joint individuals, societies, associations and clubs, and companies. There are some benefits of fixed deposit, which are a low risk. It is safe to invest in fixed deposit as your interest returns are guaranteed, unlike stock market or unit trust fund. Next, your money is insured. In the event that your bank fails, Perbadanan Insurance Deposit Malaysia (PIDM) will reimburse you with your money you have deposited. And third, higher interest rate. Fixed deposit generally give you more interest than saving account. And lastly, you can easily withdraw your money. Although if you do so before your tenure ends, you could lose part or all of your interest. The formula used to calculate profit earned by a customer is principal time rate time period of month divided by 100 times 12. So, That's all from us. Thank you.